Car audio wiring, universal car stereo audio system cable and wire kit. Includes all necessary pieces to set up your amplifier and subwoofer speakers. Included audio cables, 20 feet featuring 4-gauge red power wire, 4 feet featuring 4-gauge black ground wire, 20 feet featuring 16-gauge blue remote turn-on, 20 feet featuring 12-gauge stereo speaker wire. More audio connection, 20 feet featuring stereo RCA audio cable, 6 feet featuring black split loom cable conduit, enables connection for amplifier and subwoofer speakers. Car stereo sound. Also includes ring terminals 8G, spade terminals, 8G, spade terminals, 14 to 16G, butt connector, cable ties, black grommet. Sound protection. Water-resistant inline fuse holder along with an AGU Type 60A gold-plated fuse, suitable for car, boat, and mobile vehicle audio applications. The Pyle car stereo wiring kit includes 20 feet 4-gauge red power wire, 4 feet 4-gauge black ground wire, 20 feet 16-gauge blue remote turn-on, 20 feet 12-gauge stereo speaker wire, 20 feet stereo RCA audio cable, male-to-male, 6 feet black split loom cable conduit, AGU Type 60A gold-plated fuse, inline water-resistant fuse holder, ring terminals, 4G, spade terminals, 4G, spade terminals, 16 to 18 gauge, butt connectors, 20 cable ties, and black grommet. Top reviews from the United States. Great for not a lot of money. Well, after reading the reviews I decided to order this for a little over $15. I really did not need a 4G kit, I really only needed a 8G kit. I inspected the product, and no, it is not 4-gauge, no, it is not the best out there, but it does not cost an arm and a leg either. I paid $10 just the other day for an empty fuse holder at a local shop with no fuse. So I do not really see how anyone can complain about this for the price. Now, I would not use this for some monstrous 1500 watt RMS competition Class AB amplifier, but for normal amps and Class D applications this is great. I do not know about everyone else, but to be frank, I am not trying to spend a bunch of money on wiring that cost over half the price or more than the amplifier. That is just BS. Nuff said.